Good morning. I was looking through the Gematria calculator and it brought a thought upon myself. How is everybody today? In God we trust. We trust God. No, it says in God we trust. Why would it say in God we trust God? Because in God as the capital I, okay, it's IGWT. These are the capitals they use. They put each word in a capital. Okay, Y. I, okay, is 9. G is 7. 7 times 9, 63. 7 plus 9, 16. That would be creating letters. Forget about the letters. Just let's use the 63 or 36 as 99 reverse. And I'm thinking 16 and 63 is 79 or 7 and 9. The gateway is in I. In God we trust. Now, who is we? Now, we as number 23 and number 5 or 23.5, which is a halfway point between communication, which is the total of 47, because 47 is the creation of the cycle of the moon. You see the way 4 and 7 is over here? 4 connects to the triangle that goes around. 4 is in this row. Every single row, okay, has different colors, has different designs, has different openings. If you create the I letter using 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, your separation between 4 and 6, part of the half-life, Zion, Israel, the day and the night. 1.5 times 4 is 6. 1.5 times 6 is 9. 2 times 1.5 is 3. So it's how we create the things that will give us a numeric structure for being exactly on the dot. And why I say to be exactly on the dot, if you're using pixels, no matter what you use, everything has to happen exact. They take many exacts and they over or form with them, but they shift. And the reason why I'm saying this is because if I take one color and shove it in the other one, they will become one color. If I take a pixel and a pixel and I put it next to each other, I could be creating two of the same colors that are next to each other. If it's the same color, you'll see it as one color, just more. Um, if I take two parts like this and this and I put it like this, you'll see that shape. If I move it away, you'll see this shape. If I move that one away, you'll see this shape. So everything is built, okay? In trust. In rust, we trust. Now, who is rust? What is rust? Rust is a metal. Rust is an orange. It's a Harley Davidson. It's an HD. Seems like it's not running right. Like Pluto would be that Harley Davidson. Now, if I go to comic strips and look at the color of the dog, who was the rusty dog? Um, was it Goofy? No. He had black and white and blue. It was Pluto, as far as I remember. Let me look up Pluto over here. Um, what was the color of Pluto the dog? And they're going to show me Pluto the dog with the ring of Saturn. See that? The ring of Saturn around him. Now I'm going to go to all the pictures of Pluto, right? All the pictures of Pluto, okay, black and orange, right? Now, if I would reverse these colors, what would these reverse colors be? Happy dog, always a happy dog. There you go. Pluto is always a happy dog. So I'm just trying to see, this is my last video. Where's my, where was I looking? In God we trust, right? It was right here. I just want to make it smaller. Need to take my window. I just want to make sure that my camera window is here. So we're working in God we trust. Now, this is the big gematria numeric, 1585. The small gematrias, I would have to create this as 9 and 14, right? Which is 7 times 2, 7 plus 2 equals 9. 7 times 2 equals to 14. DNA and birth, 9 and 5. Now, in 9 and 5, the 5 is the E letter. If I put two E letters together, we end up with the H and I in between the EI, and the O. right? Which is everything. 9 times 5 is 45, and 14, which is 9 and 5 again, or 45, which is 6, 15, and 24, or add up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals to 45. Another way to get this number is for 45 is 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 will create this number over here. So this one will create the multiplication. At the same time, 5 times 4 is 20. 5 plus 4 is 9 equals 29. And that's your birth in the T. The T. Okay, and there's many things to say about this, but I don't. Rust. What is it made out of? And two colors that create orange is red, right? Red and yellow. Now, when you have 7 and 2 in this, you have the letters N, you have the letter I, the total is 23. You have the letter W for win, right? I like to say win. And then the 2 is B, right? Is B. And then the G is the 7. The total is 9, win big. Win a big red sun. Because Nibiru is that red sun. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. In God, in us side is the God that we take the choice and choose. And that's who we trust. The same thing as in God we trust is 15. In is 940. God is 7504. 504, which is 360. What is 504? Divide that by 9. I don't remember the number. We equals to, it looks like 950. Trust seems to equal to 180, 280, 380, 470, 570. Trust equaling, if it's 570, I would revert that in numbers to the moon. 1, 9, 10, 11, 20, 21. Yeah, exactly. Works out perfect. 1 and 8 is 9, 10, 11, 20, 21. Add 1 through 6, it equals to 21. Okay. I regard that as the cube inside the moon. In we, it's 9 and 5. In God, it's 12, 16 equals to 7. In equals to 4. 4, 7. 4, 7. 4, 7, 5. 4, 7, 5, 3. Anyways, I don't want to take it any further. We can go and use it in the simple gematria. I want to add in. I want to put the English language, multiple by 1, multiple by 2, multiple by 3, because once you multiply this by 3, it'll always say 369. When we multiply this by 3, we end up with 3, 6, 6, 6. We multiply this by 3, we end up with 3, 6. We multiply this by 3, we end up with 3, 3, 6. Why? Because 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6. You notice there's a 5 in everything. 3 by 7 is 21. 2 and 1 is 3. So the multiple of 3 will make everything 369. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.